Hello planner lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, hi, I'm Amanda and I like to use my planner to put stickers in it, and I don't know, I just feel like this puts me in touch with my creative side in a very quick and easy way. So today I have a January notes page for you. It's going to be a quick video, but I wanted to share it anyway because this is my first one in my 2018 Erin Condren. Colorful, vertical, super awesome. But anyway, so here is the January divider. It says trust the magic of new beginnings, and as you saw yesterday, this clip art from Tassled Planner is also my monthly spread. So yeah, I really liked it. So we're gonna jump into this. I'm just gonna talk you through laying down the stickers pretty much because I gotta flesh out what I'm using this for. So here's the thing with the colorful. You see this? This goes all the way beyond the coil and all the way to the edge. And this obviously can't go in the coils. And there's no way for me to cover that up. But I think this might go all the way to the edge of the page. At least that is what I am hoping. Nope. Okay, I gotta turn this. I can't see it. This new paper is definitely really thick, really nice in the EC, and I get why they made the upgrade because everybody was complaining about, oh my gosh, this stuff rips way worse than my 2015 Erin Condren, but that's life. What are you gonna do? At least the paper's thicker, right? So we are just going to pop these circles in. Use these for some kind of goal setting, probably resolutions because it's January. Love this clip art. I haven't said that enough already. Adore this clip art. Tassled Planner did a good job, and I don't remember when I bought this. Did I buy this on Black Friday? Was this part of my Black Friday haul? I don't remember. But that's the thing. Okay, I think this, I've never seen one of these kits used, so I'm kind of just figuring it out here. I think this goes down here, like, let's be honest, it probably goes down here. And does she have it to where it goes all the way? Why would that go all the way to the edge? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, maybe we'll skip this for a second. Set that over there. Okay, these boxes definitely go here, right? Oh, this is so weird. Hopefully I line that up. It does not look straight, but I don't know. I don't know. Basically with the new EC, it's kind of like so much crafting insert paper, and I kind of feel like I need to be really super, yeah, look at that. This has gotta go like, why would she do it that way? I'm just gonna center it because I'm neurotic and I don't want it to pull one way more than the other. Alright, so let's label these. What do we have? So that sheet's gone. Yay, right? Fun. We have goals, currently, wishes, family, fitness, spending, achievements, to clean, reading, and to do. So I'm going to do a small monthly to-do list because I've already been way too busy. We'll do a little family because I know that we have some appointments and things this month that we're going to need to keep up with. And then we'll do a little to clean like goal list down here on the bottom. So there's the bottom 3 boxes. Now, spending is not a thing that I'm going to track in here, but I will track goals as my resolutions and wishes for everybody's birthday. And then these up here, we can use a currently and achievements. And then I need to do something with fitness because I'm really lazy. If you guys did not know, and I'm not telling you this because I'm like itching for compliments or congratulations or anything like that, but my husband and I had a very bad habit for a very long time. I've never said it on this channel, but we were smokers, and I say were because 5 months ago, or almost 5 months ago, we quit smoking. So that's always awesome. And I'm not telling you guys that because, like I said, I don't want any congratulations or anything like that, but it's done. My 2017, my main resolution for 2017 with my word for last year, I was successful. So we did it. I was a little more than halfway through the year, which, you know, alright, cool. That's life. But, let's stick this over here. You know, whatever. But there is my goals page for the month of January. So I'm going to use goals as resolutions. Or not really resolutions, but my actual goals. Like probably yearly goals and then some monthly goals that I want to get done this month. And then I want to do some fitness, maybe some walking or something like that. I don't know. But I definitely need to get on ordering for February because I think everybody has come out with those kits already and I'm behind the ball. I was way ahead for January. Like I had this stuff like way planned. But I'm behind the ball for February. So I used every single sticker except the spending sticker, and that one I just put on the extra sheets from my monthly view, and I'll use that somewhere some other time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're not already. Say hi in the comments. Tell me how your new year was, and I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.